Just showing my new refrigerator. Actually, this refrigerator is actually new than my old refrigerator. That actually I just unplugged it. It's just too basic and too small. Like this is the light that you can turn on and turn off. And this is just the frozen part. This is for egg and blah blah blah. But my new refrigerator is from the LG. And this is what inside look like. I can turn on, off, turn on, off, on. Yeah. It's just too big. Like I don't even still got many space to do. And this is how you unclog a refrigerator from LG, but from a different model, like this model. Okay. Now, if you want to unclog, you just need to put your hand in this lock icon. Just wait. They say hold 3 seconds though. Sometimes it doesn't work. You see? Yes. It doesn't really need any kind of it doesn't recognize any different fingerprints, but it just needs to hold 3 seconds just to unlock it. This is the mode. I don't know what is this, but look, this looks like a freezing version. This is the freezer. This is the fridge. This is the normal fridge. It's over here, and the freezer. Actually, this side. And my fridge actually comes with some kind of ice freezer. Yeah. It just looks like that. Cool. Oh. Hey, something make some kind of electricity. Yeah. This thing huge. You can see how huge it is when you see this. It's just perfect from here to here. Yeah, from this part of my kitchen to my front door, behind door. This is good. Actually, I can change the temperature though. Hey. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's locked. I need to unlock it. Okay, now I can control anything. This is the regular temperature, minus 18, yes. That's the regular temperature on this refrigerator. Well, that's all.